Kaya yung mga newbies bullshit na bullshit dito sa trading, eh, kahit sino panoorin niyo, eh, 'di ba? Walang magsasabi sa'yo na technician, na technical analyst, na yung ginuguhit niya, yung chart niya 100% papaldo ka. Wala pong gano'n dito sa trading. We only trade probabilities. There are high probabilities, there are low probabilities. So for example, itong CRO first flag, 70% chance of breaking to the upside, pero may natitira pa rin 30 dito, 'di ba? So, paano ba ginagamit yung mga probabilities na yan? So, for example, I want to trade only yung mga high probability setups, high probability trades. So, meaning to say, yung 70-30 is high probability for me. So, ito, pwede ako sumakay. Of course, syempre, may stop loss ka pa rin. Ngayon, may lalabas na trade na 50-50 yung second flag. 50% chance of breaking out, breaking down. Para sa akin yon medium probability. Eh gusto ko lang high probability. So ibig sabihin, hindi para sa akin yon. That's not my trade. So I'll pass on that. Pwedeng umakyat, pwedeng bumaba. Ngayon, yung third flag, 30% of breaking out, breaking down. Low probability. So for me, since high probability lang yung gusto kong pasukin, no, 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 no. No chance. So yun yung guide. So aalamin mo, ano yung gusto ko lang i-take the trade? High probability, medium probability, low probability. Follow for more Tito Moves.